lift the wing up.
I can take a picture, so I don't know. Can I take a picture?
It was like a river in there. The water was just crushing and just taking out everything. Because from my sister was laying in the bed and I see the roof cave come down on her. I said, okay, this is our cue to run. But we had to stay in the building because we had nowhere to run. So we just was staying down in the lower bathroom, just praying to God that the storm calmed down a little bit for us to run.
Like this. Otherwise they won't reach from. See what I'm
The real challenge, though, in operating here on the ground is essentially, laborers, it's fuel, it's vehicles, it's trucks, it's forklifts, it's the machinery that you need to keep supply chains moving as well. So WFP is bringing in a vessel tomorrow that will be bringing additional equipment to address some of those problems.
One line to the left is what's the step?
Yeah, I got it.
Go straight ahead. Go straight to the table.